Some Galaxy S24 users are once again facing frustration, and this time it's because of the highly anticipated One UI 7.0 update. What was supposed to be a major step forward in Samsung's software experience has unfortunately turned into one of the most problematic rollouts in recent memory. Let's rewind for a moment. One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, was already delayed for months, raising eyebrows among Galaxy fans worldwide. And when Samsung finally released the update, it didn't go smoothly. A critical bug was discovered shortly after the release, forcing the South Korean tech giant to pull the update from its servers entirely. While the company did manage to re-release the update a few days later after patching the bug, that wasn't the end of the story, especially for Galaxy S24 users. Reports are pouring in across platforms like Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, where Galaxy S24 users are voicing their struggles. The problem? They're unable to download the One UI 7.0 update. In many cases, the download process either freezes midway or fails entirely. Several users say they're seeing repeated "couldn't install the update" error messages popping up on their screens, which not only halts the update, but also interferes with regular phone usage. It's not just a minor hiccup, it's making the day-to-day use of the Galaxy S24 frustrating for some users. You'd expect a flagship phone to receive top-tier support, but this issue is causing inconvenience at a time when users were eagerly waiting to explore the new features and enhancements One UI 7 was supposed to bring. So what exactly is causing the problem? While Samsung hasn't officially acknowledged the root cause yet, there are a few likely explanations. The most probable one is that Samsung's servers are under strain, with millions of Galaxy devices worldwide eligible for the One UI 7 update. It's possible the company underestimated the server capacity required to roll out the update globally. It's also possible that some users have unstable Wi-Fi or mobile networks, which can cause the download to pause or fail altogether. Regardless of the reason, it's not a great look for Samsung. A delayed update followed by a buggy release and now download issues. It's been one bump after another. So what can affected users do in the meantime? Some users have reported temporary success with a few troubleshooting steps. One common fix is to pause the update, restart the phone, and then try downloading it again. In some cases, this seems to work, but it's not a guaranteed solution. Others report that even after a restart, the download process still doesn't move forward. If that doesn't help, there are a few other things you can try. Switching to a different Wi-Fi network might do the trick. Alternatively, try using your mobile data to download the update. Sometimes, simply changing the network environment helps reset the download process. Another method that has worked for some users is using Samsung's Smart Switch software. This tool allows you to connect your phone to a PC or Mac and update your phone through your computer. It bypasses the over-the-air update process and might help you install One UI 7 without facing download interruptions. Meanwhile, Samsung has resumed the rollout of the One UI 7 update in several countries. After addressing the critical bug that halted the initial release, the company started pushing the update again in South Korea late last week. Today, the update is also being made available for the Galaxy S24 series and other flagship models like the Galaxy Z Flip 5, Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 6 in more global regions, including India, the Middle East, Europe, and the USA. While that's promising news for users still waiting on the update, those who have already received the prompt and are stuck in a loop of download errors are left feeling frustrated. Many were looking forward to the new features, improved performance, and refined interface that One UI 7 brings, but instead, they're stuck troubleshooting a download bug. It's clear that Samsung needs to address these issues more proactively. While some hiccups are to be expected during major software rollouts, Galaxy S24 users, especially those who bought a premium flagship, deserve a smoother, more stable experience. If you're one of the affected users, try the fixes we mentioned, and if nothing works, keep an eye out for future updates or official statements from Samsung. The good news is that once you finally get the update installed, One UI 7 brings a host of improvements that are worth the wait. But for now, the hope is that Samsung takes swift action to ensure a more reliable and consistent update process. Because after all, software should make our phones better, not more stressful to use.